Okay, Trailhead Brothers here. Now we're gonna do the second part of the Apex testing module. So here we are doing test Apex triggers. We are testing Apex triggers here. So what we are gonna do is we are gonna create an Apex trigger with this name. Just go developer console here. Click file, new Apex trigger. There we go. Let's do this for the account. Paste the name and select account and submit. So it has created a new trigger for us. Then let's copy this and paste it here, file and save. So we have created a new trigger. What it does is before we delete an account, it's gonna check if it has opportunities. If it has opportunities, it will not let us delete it. It will give us the error message. Okay, now what we have to do, so now we have to create a test class for this trigger. So let's go ahead, copy this name, go to file, new Apex class, and name this one. Now let's copy this code and paste it here. Then we click on save. Okay, in here we are testing it. There are several functions. In the first function, what we are doing is we are creating we are creating a record. So we have created a first record, we have inserted, it has created one account. Then we have assigning opportunity record. Then in this we are creating the opportunity record in the system. And from here we are testing our start by saying test.start, and then here we are deleting that same record that we created earlier, the same account, and then we are stopping the test. We are telling the system to stop the test. Now it's gonna check here if it has successfully deleted. So and if it has successfully deleted, then it has failed the test because it shouldn't delete it. So this is gonna be true, and here we are checking if it is giving us errors. So okay, so it will definitely give us errors because it will not delete the account with related opportunities. In here we are checking our error messages. So this is what we are doing here. So let's run the test. Test new run. Select the test account deletion, select add selected, then we are gonna click on run. So it's gonna run the test here. Okay, if you go to the test at the bottom, you can see it has run the test, and you can see the account deletion. It has 100% coverage, so it is working 100% fine. Okay, now let's do our challenge here. First of all, we have to create the trigger. So let's create one. Go to I'm gonna remove this file, Apex trigger. In here, let's change the name. We're gonna select contact here. There we go, and submit. Then we're gonna copy the code from above, this one, and paste it here. And what is happening here is before uploading our contact records, or before updating our contact information, it is checking if it is new, and if the last name is invalid, then it's gonna give us an error. If the last name is not invalid name, it's not gonna give us the error. So this is the test trigger we have created. Save. Now what we are gonna do, we are gonna create a test class, and let me copy the name, go to file, Apex class, and write the name of the test class. In here we are let's start at is test. There we go. Then in here we're gonna start with the static method, Test method void test, and then let's start the function. Let's take all the contacts. Okay, let's take the list of all the contacts. List contact. Okay, we have initialized the list component to hold all the contacts. It's gonna be empty list. Okay, then we're gonna create uh, first contact. Let's create the first contact. First name is equal to, let's select Ali. The last name is gonna be equal to Leela. Okay, and then we're gonna create the email. Gonna create the email here. Ali Leela at test.com. There we go. Now we're gonna create a second. No, yeah, we are gonna create a second contact. So let me just copy the first one. Okay, there we go. Let's create a second. We're gonna name it John. In here we're gonna create the invalid name. There we go. In here we're gonna modify the email JOH. Okay, John. There we go. Now we are gonna add both of these contacts in the list. uh, List contact dot add C1. Okay, we also have to, there we go. Now let's add the second contact C2. Okay, now we are gonna run the test dot start test, just like above. We are running the test from here after creating the records. Okay, there we go. Let's try inserting this record. Insert list contact. Okay, all the records in the list. Then we are gonna create catch. Exception as double E. Then create a try catch. Let's leave it empty. Okay, this is enough for the test. Then we are gonna go and stop the test dot stop test. There we go. We have created our test. Let's save it. Now we are gonna run this. Let's select here, click on test and rerun. As we will see, you can see related contact by name. We have 0% coverage. Okay, I think they haven't tested this. We are gonna create a new run, and test restrict this one. Add selected and run. Okay, as you can see, we have 100% coverage. We have added two contacts in a list, and then we inserted both of them. One will be added, for the other one it will give us the exception. So this is how we have created a test apex testing for a trigger. So let's go and validate our challenge. Okay, congratulations. We have completed the second part of our apex testing module or batch. Let's go to the next one.
You.